Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the pump gasket in a Kenmore dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat-blade screwdrivers, a 1/4 inch and a 5/16 inch nut drivers, 5/8 open-ended wrench, Torx 15 screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and some liquid soap. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new pump gasket. The pump gasket is installed at the bottom of the dishwasher around the pump housing and seals the opening. If there's a water leak from above the motor at the top of the pump housing, the pump gasket should be replaced. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Pull out the lower dish rack. Unscrew the spray arm nut, turning it counterclockwise, and remove it. Pull up and remove the lower spray arm. Remove the bearing. Remove the spray arm bearing. Remove the 8 Torx 15 screws from the top of the outlet. Pull the outlet to disconnect it from the supply tube. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out 2 screws that mounts the dishwasher to the counter. Put the towel in a plastic container under the shutter valve just in case of the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then using the 5/16 inch nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Pull out the dishwasher from under the counter. Place the dishwasher on its back. Using the 1/4 inch nut driver, take out the 4 screws and remove the toe panels. Using the pliers, slide off the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the check valve. Be careful, there still could be some water in the hose. Unscrew the check valve by turning it counterclockwise. Using the flat-blade screwdriver, take the green ground wire off the motor. Push the side tabs and disconnect the motor plug. Next, using the flat-blade screwdriver, remove the 2 wires from the limit thermostat. Using the pliers, squeeze the small clamp and slide the air hose from the pressure switch. And the last thing before removing the pump motor assembly, turn the 4 locking tabs inwards counterclockwise so they would clear the cutout. Push the pump motor in to break it loose. Don't let it drop inside or it will damage the dishwasher interior. Put the dishwasher upright slide it under the counter. Open the door and remove the pump motor assembly. Remove the coarse filter from around the pump. Let's bring the pump assembly to the workable surface. Turn the pump over and remove the old gasket. This is the old pump gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. Now, before installing the new pump gasket, you need to clean the pump gasket seat and then the surface around the opening at the bottom of the dishwasher. A liquid soap, sponge, putty knife, paper towels will do as long as the job is done. Place the new pump gasket on. Put some liquid soap on the outer edge of the gasket. Install the pump motor assembly into the opening with the motor plug on the right and the name tag facing you. Press it down hard so the pump can slide in place. Pull the dishwasher out again and put it on its back. Check if all 4 locking tabs are below the opening edge. See if you can close all of them, turning outwards. First, lock the bottom and the right side tabs. Then lock the rest of the tabs. Install the air hose onto the pressure switch and using the pliers, slide on the clamp. Connect the 2 wires to the limit thermostat. It doesn't matter which one goes where. Connect the motor plug. Connect the green ground wire. Screw in the check valve. Install the drain hose and using the pliers, secure it with a hose clamp. Install the 2 panels and secure them with the 4 1/4-inch screws. Place the dishwasher upright and pull the drain hose, the inlet hose, and the power cord through the divider. Install the dishwasher and secure it to the counter with the 2 Phillips screws. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve and tighten it using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with a 5/16" nut driver. Install the coarse filter. Insert the outlet pump connector into the supply tube as far as it would go. Align the holes and secure it with the 8 Torx 15 screws. Install the spray arm bearing and the spray arm. Secure it with a spray arm nut by turning it clockwise. Make sure the spray arm rotates freely. Slide the lower dish rack in. Close the door. Turn the water on. Plug the dishwasher in and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.